This How to 1 Minute will show you how to backup and restore DNS records in Cloudflare. This is actually a very easy process to restore and backup your DNS records in Cloudflare. First of all, log into your Cloudflare and select websites. And now open the website where you want to create a backup. Then click on DNS, select records, and here you will get all of your DNS records. And now to create a backup, click on import and export and click on export to create a backup. As you can see, it's started to download, and this is how we can create backup of DNS records in Cloudflare. And to restore any backup, come to this page again and click on import and export, and here all you have to need just drag and drop your backup files like this and click on upload. And this is how we can backup and restore DNS records in Cloudflare. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.